In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace your website logo in the page builder. We'll walk through the full process from opening the builder to uploading your new logo and making sure it looks right in the header. This is a simple change, but it's also an important one because your logo plays a big role in your site's branding and overall appearance. Even a small update here can make your website look more polished, consistent, and professional. To get started, open the page builder for your website. Once you're inside, go to the section of the page where your current logo appears. In many cases, the logo will be part of the navigation menu, but depending on how the page was built, it could also be placed as a separate image element in the header area. At this stage, the goal is simply to identify the exact image that is currently being used as the logo. Once you've found it, click directly on the logo image. This will open the image settings in the left sidebar. The sidebar is where you'll manage the image source, and it may also contain display options that affect how the logo appears on the page. If you don't see the expected settings right away, just make sure the correct image element is selected before moving on. In the settings panel, stay under the General tab, look for the image field, then click the image icon. This will open your media options, where you can either select a file that already exists in the media library or upload a brand new one. If your updated logo hasn't been added yet, go ahead and upload it now. After the upload finishes, select the new logo image so it replaces the old one. Depending on your setup, you may need to double-click the file or you may only need to select it once to confirm the change. After the new logo has been inserted, take a careful look at how it appears in the header. A new logo may have different proportions, spacing, or transparency than the previous version, so it's worth checking the overall balance of the header area. If needed, adjust the width or padding settings so the logo fits neatly and lines up well with the rest of the navigation. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if the header starts to feel crowded or slightly off after the replacement. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save to apply the update. That's it. Your website logo has now been replaced in the page builder. If you're updating your branding across the site, it's also a good idea to preview the page afterward and confirm the logo looks clear and properly sized on both desktop and mobile views.